Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got 2016 P389 factory built glider kit, 3406E, 550 horsepower, 18 speed, and full lockers. It's only got 484,000 original miles. I've gotten it hot. I'm going to show you blow by, oil pressure, everything just like you're standing here. Let's get started. Body and paint's excellent. Southern truck, there's no rust. Blow by looks good. Extremely nice enclosed stainless headache rack. Air track suspension, air side fifth wheel. Only thing I really saw on this one, your rear four tires are weaker than anything else. Steers look great, front drives are great. A little bend in that stainless fender. Back of the cab looks good. Tanks, everything's polished out, looks really nice. Platinum interior. Great low side oil pressure. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.